This is a how-to video for the Victorum Joule air-to-water heat pump. In this video, we will explain how the heat pump works and its features. The air-to-water heat pump provides heating and hot water round the clock for your home. It emits less CO2 and can be more cost-effective than traditional gas or oil boilers. The heat pump is located inside your home. The small panel on the heat pump will show potential fault codes, should there be an issue. By using the touchscreen to click into the radiator icon, you can see how many kilowatts you have used heating your home. Low water pressure is a common issue which is easily fixed. If the pressure falls below 1 bar, this impacts the heat pump's performance. You can increase the pressure using the 2 valves if necessary. However, it is important not to exceed 2 bars of pressure. In the same space as your heat pump control panel, there will be a water tank and 2 isolation valves above it, which control the supply of water to the home. You can cut off the water supply in cases of emergency by turning the valve to a 90-degree angle. On the ceilings of the utility room, living space and bathroom, there are air vents which take air from the home and feed it to the heat pump, which in turn converts it into energy and heat for your home. Do not cover these. There will be a thermostat panel on the wall close to the heat pump. It shows the temperatures in the 2 zones. Zone 1 is the kitchen living space, Zone 2 is the bedroom area. Fault codes will also show here. You can switch between controls for the 2 zones using the arrows on the left and right. The temperature of 17.5 degrees indicates the current temperature. 18 degrees underneath is the desired temperature the heat is adjusting to. You can increase and decrease this using the plus and minus buttons. The flame symbol appears to show the heat pump is working to achieve the desired temperature. It is most economical to try and maintain a standard room temperature of 18 to 20 degrees for longer periods of time rather than increasing and decreasing the temperature frequently. Hot water temperature is at factory setting of 48. Changing this is not recommended. You may want to boost your hot water supply if you have additional needs after cooking or cleaning. Hot water in the tank is automatically disinfected against Legionella once a week. Boosting the fan speed can be useful if cooking and showering to extract more moisture from these spaces. It can speed up the rate at which your desired temperature is reached and boost supply of hot water. Select the fan in the upper left-hand corner, choose the length of time to boost and press the power icon. The heat pump switch controls power to the entire unit and is located close by. It must be left on at all times. Switching the heat pump on and off means you will have no heat in your hot water. It will not work as efficiently and will cost more to run. The heat control switch supplies water to the thermostat panel underneath. Do not switch this off. In each zone there is a sensor which feeds the zone temperature to the control panel. Do not cover these sensors. The radiator can be turned on or off using the knob, though it is not recommended. The radiators are low temperature radiators. This is the fuse board for your home. The heat pump is number 4 to 5 in case it trips or you need to cut off power supply to the heat pump at a maintenance technician's advice. To recap, the air-to-water heat pump is an energy saving and cost reducing system. All settings are fixed upon installation. It is recommended that you leave the heat pump on at all times and do not adjust the temperature. If a fault code appears in your control panel, do not attempt to fix this yourself and instead call your housing officer or the CHI office. Your air-to-water heat pump needs to be serviced once a year for optimum efficiency. CHI will do this for you. If for any reason the proposed time of servicing does not suit, please make sure to ring the CHI office to reschedule.